My coworker is Jamaican. Of course, every time she says something in her true accent, I have to giggle a little bit. Now, when you be getting on to them kids, I be like, trying to keep a straight face. Oh, what's wrong with you, Mr. Sister?
That's how I act.
You don't know what you be saying. You be speaking in tongues. And you say the word no at the end. I be like,
So I be speaking Spanish and say
no, you be saying no. I don't know. I scribbled all over the wall.
You don't know what people look like.
You don't know what paper look like.
But give a marker and pencil for write on the people on the wall.
You get a mark and your pencil and you write on the people on the wall.
Go get the soap and water
Go get the soap and water
and clean it off.
and clean it
You have
off.
2 minutes.
You have 2 minutes.
Start now.
Start no. Y'all don't say ow.
Can't forget this. Now you're back to talking.
I thought I could do it. Do it again.
You can't be a true
I don't have
Jamaican
enough
if you
teeth.
don't know if you kiss it. You don't have a teeth?
I don't have enough teeth.
Oh.